Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Amal and in this video, as all of you know, I'm in Islamabad Marriot. So I'm going to be giving you a tour of the swimming pool. So I'm just sitting right here. Hello. So I'm just gonna give you a tour, show the place where the swimming pool is, and if you're interested, keep on watching. And as all of you can see that breakfast is done, I'm just ready and sitting. So let's start. So guys, this is the swimming pool. Let me just zoom out of it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is the place where you enter it. I'm just gonna show you in a sec. Yeah, let me just show you. Yeah, the place you just enter and you just go like this. There's some plants in here. There are like a club, a gym. Yeah, that's the gym. And we have this place. It's seriously. By the way, the pool is temporarily closed, so that's why I can vlog so easily. Otherwise, it would be seriously like a pain to vlog. So we have some tables for sitting. I'm pretty sure that people usually eat in here, and we have these pool types of chairs. I don't know what you call them. I'm also going to take you to the pool, but I'm not going to go inside because seriously, I'm not going to go. Also, it's closed, so yeah. Let me just take you. Ooh, this is seriously, man. This is just so big, from that corner to this corner. Seriously, it's really big. Just take you to the pool. It's temporarily closed, but still, it's water in it, and the water is not even full filled. Let me just try not to drop the camera. Yeah. Okay, so it's only half filled, and even if someone I don't know, how can someone possibly seriously, this is half filled and half. Ooh, trying not to drop the camera. Let me zoom in for you guys. Seriously, why didn't I had that idea before? I have no clue. Okay, so perfect. So all of you guys can see that seriously with the bed. So we have this plants. I'm just also gonna give you a tour of the sides. Yeah. Oh my god. I know. I just think I'm obsessed with this pool. Seriously, you're in a hotel with a swimming pool. Why won't you be? Let me just zoom in. Yeah. So there's some windows. I'm probably sure there's a restaurant there. Yeah. I'm pretty sure of that. And then we have this place. It's a dead end, don't care. My hand appears so big. Oh my god. Let me just take you to that side. We have this I know, it's just a place to sit. Definitely not like a greenhouse. But we had so many plants seriously. Then we have that place. Let's zoom in and see. Yeah. We have some rules of the pool, and let me zoom out. I think this video is all about zooming in and out. But this place, there are many trees and plants over here. And then we have some I don't know. I have no clue why there are glass doors in here. Seriously, what? We have an umbrella, and I forgot to mention that seriously, this whole area is covered so that there is not any heat or something of that sort. It's covered. Just zoom out. I don't know why I just zoom so much. Till end, it's covered. We have an umbrella. We have some more plants in there. And I'm just walking randomly, as all of you can see. Just adventuring. Let's take you to this side. Seriously, I'm adventurous. I was very curious that what is. Oh, it's a shower. I thought it was okay. This place is so dirty. I'm not gonna go in there. So, after the pool, there is some trees, and the whole area is literally covered with trees. Here we have some apartments. Let me just zoom and see if you guys can tell. Yeah, we have some apartments right here. Let's zoom in a little more. Yeah. the apartments, and I think it's a really good thing. I don't know why I just said it was a good thing. It is okay. So we have also a boundary. It's also covered in trees. And so guys, this was actually it for the pool. Like seriously, I can take it. So guys, this was it. Hope you. Yeah, just praise me. So guys, this was it for my pool tour at the hotel. So I'm gonna catch you later. So till then, bye. Bye bye. Subscribe, like, share, and bye.